Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about introduction of coordination compounds and criteria to form these compounds and terms involved in it. And we observe most of the transition metals form these coordination compounds. And first see criteria to form these compounds. First one, metal, atom or ion should have vacant orbitals, either s, p or d orbitals. For example, chromium, its valence electronic configuration 3d44 is to 4p0. In this, d orbital have one vacant orbital and 4p are three vacant orbitals. These are act as electron deficient centers. To get stability, these orbitals accept a pair of electrons and form complexes and get stability. These are called Lewis acids. Next point, atom or ion should donate a pair of electrons to electron deficient centers. For example, water. In this, oxygen have two pair of electrons. This is an electron rich center. It donated pair of electrons to orbital containing atoms or ions and form one bond. Here, water is called Lewis base because it is donating pair of electron. That's why it is called Lewis base. And it is an electron donor. Here, oxygen in water, it donated pair of electrons to this vacant orbital and forming one bond. We can call this bond as coordination bond or coordinate covalent bond. Or we can also call it as dative bond. And this pair of electrons shared equally between chromium and oxygen. And this dative bond is represented with the arrow. It shows towards metal atom or electron deficient center. The compounds which containing coordinate bond or coordinate covalent bond are called coordination compounds. For example, metal, it containing a vacant orbital in L is an ligand which having pair of electron. So it donated electrons to vacant orbital of metal and forming one bond. It is a representation of dative bond or coordinate bond. Now see the terms which are involved in coordination compounds. First one, central metal ion. It is represented with capital M. Central metal ion, it should be able to accept pair of electrons. So it is an electron acceptor and it is an electron deficient one. These are called Lewis acids. And the main property, it should be able to form two or more bonds with ligands. Second term, ligands. And this ligand should be an electron rich center, should have, and electron pair donor and Lewis base. These are the natures of ligand. Example, ammonia, water, pyridine, chloride, bromide, iodide, and trifluorophosphine. In this, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, bromine, iodine and phosphine have pair of electrons. These can be able to donate these pair of electrons to electron deficient centers. Those are called ligands. Third one, coordination sphere. Metal M and a number of ligands are directly attached to form Ln compound and it is represented in square bracket. The square bracket is called coordination sphere. And this coordination compound containing 0, plus or minus charge. This is called complex ion. Charge on complex. Next, coordination number. Definition. The number of ligands directly attached to central metal is called its coordination number. And this coordination number applicable to central metal ions. Example, FeH2O taken 6 2 place. In this, coordination number of iron is 6 because oxygen atom of water molecule directly attached to Fe. How many atoms attached? 6. That's why its coordination number 6. In copper NH3 taken 4 2 place. Here the coordination number 4. Oxidation number. The charge on central metal atom after elimination of all the ligands and atoms in the complex is called oxidation number of central metal ion, and it is applicable to only central metal ion in the complex. Example: Fe H2O taken 6 2 place. So in this, water is in a neutral molecule, it doesn't have any charge. So consider iron as X. Now we'll calculate charge on iron. Water, how many water molecules? 6. Charge is 0. So is equal to total overall charge on complex plus 2. So X is equal to how much we got? Plus 2. So the charge on Fe2 plus is plus 2. It is called its oxidation number or oxidation state. Next term, ionic sphere. Outside the coordination sphere, either it is left side or right side, atoms or ions are called ionic sphere. In the given example, X3 and Y2 both are called ionic sphere or counter ion we can call. Example, in this example, Cl2 is called ionic sphere. And one more example, in this example, K3 is called ionic sphere. See the overall representation of complex compound. Here, M represents the central metal ion and L represents the ligand, N coordination number, and square bracket represents the coordination sphere. And in the power 0, if contain, this is called neutral complex. If it is containing positive, it's called cationic complex. If the charge is minus on the complex, it is anionic complex. This is about introduction